What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to the latest news, the announcement of the compact smartphone ASUS Zenfone 10 is scheduled for this month. The network has new details and confirmed launch date of the smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, for our daily tech news and updates, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. ASUS finally revealed the launch date for its upcoming Zenfone 10 smartphone. The next compact flagship from ASUS will launch on Thursday, June 29 at 3 p.m. CEST time, 1 p.m. UTC. The official event will be live streamed on YouTube channel with the video already public. There were rumors that the ASUS Zenfone 10 will be a large smartphone. However, as per the company's tagline, all on hand, it is clear that the smartphone will be a compact phone for one-hand use. Prior to the official launch of the handset, the company shared some teaser videos on the ASUS Zenfone 10 event landing page, which gives an idea about the features and specifications of the smartphone. Now let's take a look at what has been confirmed so far. The ASUS event page suggested that the device will indeed carry forward the company design language of the Zenfone 9 smartphone. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. There will be support for wireless charging, along with an one-hand stabilization mode for the camera. A new color option for the Zenfone 10 has also been confirmed. The new ASUS Zenfone 10 could also pack a 5.9 inches 144Hz AMOLED display, a 200 megapixel main primary shooter, a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with 67 watt fast battery charging, and almost likely run stock Android 13 experience. The tech giant ASUS has revealed the launch date of one of the most awaited smartphones, the ASUS Zenfone 10. The smartphone will be launched in the country on June 29. Overall, the Zenfone 10 is shaping up to be an exciting device that we can't wait to get our hands on. With just a few weeks remaining for launch event, we can expect more details to emerge soon. So stay tuned as we bring the latest developments your way. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.